how to mention individual users or group of users in RIKE. Hello friends, welcome to today's tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll be showing you how you can mention individual users or group of users in RIKE. So kindly watch till the end. The first step is to log in into your RIKE account, just like I have done here. And then once you're logged in, you'll be brought to the home page automatically. So on this page, you can see inbox. You can see the different messages on your inbox page. You can see incoming, sent, archive. Okay. So once you can see this by the left side of the screen, you can see search, inbox, more, advertisement, space, overview, etc. Okay. So the next step here, or the next thing to do, is to go ahead and click on and locate the tags that you like to mention a group of users or a single user. Right, just go ahead and locate um the space. For me, I'm working with the personal space. So after locating this personal space, you can see different tags available. So for me, I'll be selecting writing tags and tags that I want to mention. So like selecting the tags to open it up, you'll be taken to the tags view by the left side of the screen. Now below it, you can see the right up which says try at mentioning people to get their attention. So you can just type this out. Okay, so you can just type this out directly. Good, for example, and then you mention perhaps an individual or a group of people. This is, for example, my team now is a group of people, or you can just mention the person's name just like that, and then he or she will be mentioned and his attention will be gotten. But this is how you can go about it. Ensure you try it out today. Thanks for watching.